Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I'm so glad you could join me. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the Whimsy Stamps red rubber leaf frame and die. This is a 4.5 by 5 3/4 red rubber stamp, and it comes with a matching die to cut out the middle. I'm going to stamp it out so you can see what the image looks like. If you're using the Misty stamping tool, you need to take the foam insert out of it first. This will help to give it a good impression. As you can see, it stamps out really nice, and it has some different size leaves and acorns, and it's just a really nice leaf impression. When stamped, the image measures approximately 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches. Then you could take the die and cut out the middle of the leaf frame if you want to. And then I just trimmed it down so you could see it smaller. This would make a really great shaker card if you wanted it to. You could also put a different color center in the middle of the leaf frame if you wanted. Here's a card I made using the leaf stamp set, and I paired it up with the UR stamp set and the awesome word die. And that will complete my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this release. Don't forget to head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire release that is available today. Also, we would love for you to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and inspirational videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.